Hello, Storytime friends. It's Miss Andrea, and I am here today to help us celebrate Miss Rocksanne's birthday. Miss Rocksanne is our pet snake. She's a ball python, and she's not living at the library right now because of the cleaning materials we use to keep the library safe for all the humans, but it's still her birthday, and so I thought we would celebrate with a wonderful book. This book is called Huggy the Python, Hugs Too Hard, and it's by Ame Dyckman and illustrated by Alex G. Griffiths, and it is published by Simon Schuster, who has given us permission to read this book online. It's part of the Wee Beasties board book series, so if you like this, you might check out the whole set. Okay, so this ball python looks different than Miss Rocksanne. Some ball pythons are green. Miss Rocksanne, some pythons are green. Miss Rocksanne is a ball python and she is brown. Here we see Huggy hugging a balloon. What happens when you squeeze a balloon? Pythons are squeezers. This is Huggy the Python. Huggy loves to hug the things he loves. And look at all the cool things that Huggy loves. Oh, wow. Yes, yes. Do you like to collect up the things that you love and keep them close? Me too. But sometimes Huggy hugs too hard. Look, Huggy. A balloon. Huggy loves balloons. Do you? Okay, Huggy, gentle. He's hugging it. Gentle. Pop! Ooh. Oops, you hugged too hard, Huggy. Look, Huggy, ice cream. Huggy loves ice cream. I've never hugged ice cream. Have you hugged ice cream? Oh, Huggy's gonna try. He's such a hugger. Gentle, gentle. Squish! Oops, you hugged too hard, Huggy. And all the ice cream squirted out everywhere. Oh, he's so sad. Look, Huggy. A fuzzy little dog. Huggy loves fuzzy little dogs. Oh yes, he really must be careful with the fuzzy little dog though, isn't he? Wait! Can you show Huggy how to be gentle? Can you do that? It's really important that Huggy gets this right. Okay, can you give the fuzzy little dog a gentle hug? Okay, bring him close. You did it! That dog is so happy. Oh, wow, that was a great gentle hug. We need to be gentle with our dogs. Okay, it's your turn, Huggy. Huggy, do you remember how the kids did it? Okay, remember, hug a gentle hug. Puppy is counting on you. Phew! Just right, Huggy. Squeezing so nice and gentle, but I think there was some toothpaste down by his tail and squish. That's okay. The puppy is safe. And that is the end. Storytime friends, if you would like to continue to celebrate Rocksanne's birthday, we made a Storytime at Home handout for snakes. And we have a display in the library, but you don't have to come into the library to enjoy it. You can download all those materials, and I'm going to provide the link below this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Storytime friends.